Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something huge that's happening in the programming world. It's all about Python. You know what caught my attention recently? In an interview, Mark Zuckerberg was asked what programming language he would choose if he had to build Facebook all over again today. His answer?
I think if I'd built it even like a year or two later, it would have been Python.
That's pretty mind-blowing, coming from someone who originally built Facebook using PHP. And speaking of Python's dominance, there's some massive news from GitHub's latest October's report. For the first time in 10 years, Python has officially overtaken JavaScript as the most used programming language on GitHub. This is huge, especially considering how long JavaScript has been at the top. But you know what? When you look at the numbers, this shouldn't really surprise any of us. Let me tell you why. Python has become such a powerhouse. It's super beginner friendly. Python reads almost like English, making it perfect for newcomers to coding. No complicated syntax or confusing rules to memorize. Versatility. Whether you're into web development, data science, AI, or even automation, Python's got your back. It's literally everywhere. Massive community support. The numbers here are mind-blowing. GitHub now hosts over 518 million projects with a whopping 5.2 billion contributions in 2024 alone. That's a lot of developers ready to help out each other. AI and data science boom. Here's something crazy. GitHub saw a 98% year-over-year growth in AI-related projects in 2024. And guess what language is powering most of these AI projects? You got it. It's Python. Here's something really interesting though. While Python is now the most used language overall on GitHub, JavaScript still holds the crown when it comes to the actual code pushes. This shows how Python's impact extends beyond traditional software development. We are seeing this especially in data science, where Jupyter Notebooks usage has exploded with a 92% increase in just the past year. This massive jump really shows how Python has become the go-to language for data scientists and AI researchers. Let me share something really exciting about this growth. India's developer community on GitHub has exploded over 17 million developers. That's a 28% increase in just 2024. They are actually on track to become the world's largest developer population on GitHub by 2028. How amazing is that? For anyone thinking about getting into programming, there's never been a better time to learn Python. Whether you are dreaming of building the next Facebook, diving into AI, or just want to automate some daily tasks, Python is your best bet to start. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech and AI updates. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Are you already using Python? Or are you planning to learn it? What do you think about Python's rise to the top? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.